Hello student, welcome to my class. Today we shall discuss chapter number 17, perimeter and area. So first we discuss perimeter. What is perimeter? Perimeter means the total length of the boundary of a closed figure. Perimeter means the total length of a boundary of a closed figure. Suppose a triangle, we take out the perimeter of this triangle. So suppose this side is 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter. So perimeter equal to side plus side plus side. So perimeter equal to 5 centimeter plus 6 centimeter plus 7 centimeter. So 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. 11 plus 7 is equal to 18 centimeter. The boundary of this triangle is equal to 18 centimeter. Okay, now we go to exercise 17a. We solve exercise 17a. So we know here we write some formulas. So we know perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle equal to 2 into length plus breadth. 2 into length plus breadth. Length plus breadth. And the perimeter of a square equal to length 4 into sides. 4 into side. The perimeter of a rectangle equal to 2 into length plus breadth, and the perimeter of a square equal to 4 into side. Or if we take out the side equal to perimeter by 4. Perimeter by 4. Now exercise 17A. Question number A, find the perimeter of, question number A, find the perimeter. So a triangle, this side equal to 6.2 centimeter, 5.5 centimeter, 3.9 centimeter. So we take out the perimeter and write here. So we know perimeter equal to side plus side plus side. So or A plus B plus C. So there is 6.2 centimeter, 3.9 centimeter plus 5.5 centimeter. So here 9 plus 2 is equal to 11, 11 plus 5 is equal to 16, 16, 6, 1 in my hand. 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. So the perimeter equal to 15.6 centimeter. 15.6 centimeter. Next, question number B, we take out the perimeter. Here 2.5 centimeter, 3.3 centimeter, here 1.5 centimeter, next 2.8 centimeter, here 3.5 centimeter, 1.2 centimeter. So how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides are there. We have to add all sides. There is 2.5 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter, here 2.8 centimeter, here 3.5 centimeter, 1.2 centimeter. Now we add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6 sides are there. So 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 8, 18, 18 plus 3, 18 plus 5, 23, and 23 plus 2, 25. 25, 5, 2 in my hand, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 3, 4 plus 3, 7, plus 1, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 3, 13 plus 1, 14. 14.5 centimeter. 14.5 centimeter. The perimeter of this figure is 14.5 centimeter. Next, question number 2. Question number 2. Fill in the perimeter of the rectangle. Fill in the perimeter of a rectangle. Here give a rectangle. So 1, 2, 3. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. So here P means perimeter, L means it is length, and B means it is breadth. So here length given 6 centimeter and breadth is 4.5 centimeter. Next one 5.5 centimeter, meter, 3 meter. Next 12 centimeter, 7 centimeter. Next 5.2 centimeter and 2.3 centimeter. Next 20 meter, 15 meter. Now we fill the perimeter. So the fill in the perimeter of the rectangle. So we know this all the measurement of side length and breadth of a rectangle. So formula is that perimeter of a rectangle equal to perimeter of a rectangle equal to 2 into length plus breadth. So here the first question number A, B, C, D, E. Question number A, length is equal to 6 centimeter, breadth is equal to 4.5 centimeter. So length is equal to 6 centimeter and breadth equal to 4.5. Now 2 into 4, 6 plus 4.5 is equal to 10.5. Now we do multiply. 10.5 into 2. 2 5 jar 10, 10 0, 1 in my hand. 2 0 jar 0, 1 in my hand, 1, 2 1 is 2. So point is there, we give point. So answer is after point 0 is valueless. So here is only 21. So the perimeter of this rectangle is equal to 21 centimeter. 21 centimeter. Next one is 5.5, length equal to 5.5 meter and breadth equal to 3 meter. So formula is there, 2 into 5.5 plus 3. Now 2 into 5.5 plus 3 is equal to 5 point, then point there 8.5. 5. So here 8.5. Now 8.52 into 2. 2 5 jar 10, 0, 1 in my hand, 2 8 jar 16, 1 17. So point is there, after point 0 value less, so answer is 17. Answer is 17 what meter? 17 meter. Next, it is length is 12 and breadth is 7. So 2 into length 7 plus breadth length is equal to 12. 12 plus breadth equal to 7. Now 2 into 12 plus 7 is equal to 19. 19 to jar 38. 19 into 2, 19 to jar 38. So here answer is 38 centimeter. 38 centimeter. Next is what? Length equal to 5.2 and breadth equal to 2.3. Length equal to 5.2. 2 into length equal to 5.2 plus breadth equal to 2.3. Now 2 into 5.2 plus 2.3. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 5 plus 2 7. 7.5. 7.5. Now multiply 7.5 into 2. 2 5 jar 10, 0, 1 in my hand, 2 7 jar 14, 1 15. So after 0, after point 0 is valueless, so answer is 15. Answer is 15 centimeter. The perimeter of this rectangle is equal to 15 centimeter. 15 centimeter. Next one is what? Next one is length equal to 20 and breadth equal to 15. Length equal to 20, so and breadth equal to 15. 2 into length 20 plus breadth 15. Breadth 15. Now 2 into 20 plus 15 is equal to 35. 20 plus 15 equal to 5, 3, 35. So 35 to jar 70. 35 to jar 70 centimeter. 70 centimeter. Okay, next. Question number 4. Fill in the blanks for a square. Question number 4. Fill in the blanks of a square. Blanks of a square. So now six, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So here P means perimeter, S means side. Perimeter, side. So first one given 32 centimeter. 32 centimeter. Next one 64.8 meter. Next 44 centimeter. Next 56 meter. Next 80.8 meter. So here perimeter given, we take out side of a square. So we know side of a square equal to perimeter by what? 4. So we write here perimeter equal to 32 by 4. If we reduce, then 4 1 is 4 and 4 8 jar 32. 4 1 is 4 and 4 8 jar 32. That means here 8, the side equal to 8 centimeter. Next one is what? Perimeter equal to 64.8. 64.8 by 4. So if we reduce, then 4 1 is 4 and in 6 4 1 times go 4, 1 is 4, here remain 2 24, here remain 2, 4 1 is 4, here remain 2, 2 4 24, 4 6 jar 24 and 0.42 jar 8. So answer is what? 16.2 meter. So side equal to 16.2 meter. Next is 44 by 4. 4 1 is 4 and 4 11 jar 44. Answer is 11 centimeter. Next 56. So 56 by 4. So if we reduce, then 4 1 is 4 and in 5 4 1 times go, 4 1 is 4, remain 1 16, 4 4 jar 16. Answer is 14 meter. 14 meter. Next is what? 80.8 meter. 80 parameter equal to 80.8 meter. So if we cut, 4 1 is 4 and 4 4 jar 4 2 jar 8 1 0 remain 0 4 jar 0 and 0.42 jar 8. So answer is 20.2 meter. Answer is 20.2 meter. Okay. Next we solve Question number 5. Question number 5. Find the perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle of, here question number A, length equal to 11.25 centimeter and breadth equal to 7.5 centimeter. 11.25 centimeter and 7.5 centimeter. We take out the perimeter. The perimeter of a rectangle equal to of a rectangle equal to 2 into length plus breadth. 2 into length plus breadth. Here length is equal to 2 into 11.25 plus breadth equal to 7.5. Length equal to 11.25 plus breadth equal to 7.5. So now 2 into 11.5 11.25 plus 7.5. So 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Here point 7. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8, and here 8. So 18.75. 18.75. Now 18.75 multiplied by 2. 18.75 into 2. Now 2 5 jar 10, 0, 1 in my hand. 2 7 jar 14, 1 15, 15's 5, 1 in my hand. 2 8 jar 16, 16 1 17, 7, 1 in my hand. 2 1 is 2 3. So answer is 37.5. 37.5 centimeter. 37.5 centimeter. So next question B. Question number 5B. Length equal to 25.5 meter and breadth equal to 17.5 meter. Length equal to 25.5 meter and breadth equal to 17.5 meter. Now we know the perimeter of a rectangle equal to 2 into length plus breadth. So here 2 into length equal to 25.5 plus breadth equal to 17.5. 17.5. Now 2 into 25.5 plus 17.5. So 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. 10's 0, 1 in my hand, point is there. So 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. 12 plus 1, 13, 3, 1 in my hand, and there 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3, and 1 in my hand, 4. 43. 43. After point 0, valueless. Next, after point 0 valueless. Next, it is 43 into 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. 86. 86 meter. 86 meter. Next, question number 6. Find the perimeter. Find the perimeter of a square of side So question number A, we find out the perimeter of a square. Question number A, 6.4 centimeter. 6.4 centimeter. So formula we know, the perimeter of a square equal to 4 into side. Perimeter of a square equal to 4 into side. 4 into side. So here side equal to 4 into side equal to 6.4. 6.4. So 4 into side. Now we multiply 6.4 into 4. 4 4 ja 16, 6, 1 in my hand, 4 6 ja 24, 1 25, and point is here 25.6. 25.6 centimeter. 25.6 centimeter. Next, question number B. Question number B. Question is 75 meter. We take out or we find out the perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a square. So here formula is written already. The perimeter of a square equal to 4 into side. The perimeter of a square equal to 4 into side. So 4 into 75. So 475 jar 4 into 5 5 4 5 jar 20 20 0 2 in my hand 4 7 jar 4 7 jar 41 sorry 4 7 jar 28 plus 2 30 4 7 jar 28 plus 2 30 answer is 30 meter sorry 300 answer is 30 so here answer is 300 meter 300 meter next question number E 27.8 centimeter 27.8 centimeter so we know the perimeter of a square equal to 4 into 27.8 now we multiply 27.8 into 4 4 8 jar 32 32 is 2 4 in my 3 in my hand 4 7 jar 28 28 plus 3 31 1 again 3 in my hand next 4 2 jar 8 8 plus 3 is equal to 11 and point is there we give point there answer is 111.2 centimeter 111.2 centimeter next we go to exercise 17b exercise 17b now we take out the area of rectangle and area of square so we write formula area of a rectangle area of a rectangle equal to length into breadth length into breadth or length equal to area by breadth breadth equal to area by length area by length and area of a square area of a square equal to side into side area of a square equal to side into side. So formula we got area of a rectangle equal to length into breadth, length equal to area by breadth, and breadth equal to area by length, and area of a square equal to side into side. Now exercise 17b, question number 2. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks for rectangle. Fill in the blank for a rectangle. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. First A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E. Number A, number B, number C, number D, number E. Now 7, there L. L means length, B means breadth, and A means area. Length, breadth, and area. Now question number A, length equal to 4.4 centimeter, breadth equal to 3 centimeter. We find out the area. So question number B. Question number B, we find out the length, breadth equal to 12 meter, and area equal to 288 square meter. 88 square meter. Next 288 square meter. Next question number C, length equal to 25 centimeter. We take out breadth and area given 325 square centimeter. Next given, next question number D, 20 kilometer length, breadth equal to 10.5 kilometer. We take out area, and here question number E, 50.7 meter. Next 30 meter. Next it is, we take out the area. So here we take out area of a rectangle. So area of a rectangle equal to length into breadth. Area of a rectangle equal to length into breadth. Area of a rectangle equal to length into breadth. So here length equal to 4.4 and breadth equal to 3. Breadth equal to 3. So 4.4 into 3. 3 4s are 12. 12 to 1 in my hand. 3 4s are 12. 1 13. Point is there. So answer is 13.2 square centimeter. So when we take out area, the unit of square measurement is square. We use square. So 13.2 square centimeter. 13.2 square centimeter. Next is we take out length, breadth equal to 12 and area is equal to 288 square meter. So we know area length equal to area by breadth. Length equal to area by breadth. So here area equal to 288 and breadth is equal to 12. 288 by 12. So now we divide 288 divide by 12. 12 to jar 24. Here remain 4. Take down 8 48. 12 4 jar 48. So answer is 24. 24 meter. Answer is 24 meter. Length equal to 24 meter. Next we find out breadth. Length given 25 and area given 325 square centimeter. So breadth equal to area by length. So here area equal to 325 and breadth equal to length equal to 25. We take out breadth. So here we do divide. 25 3 to 5 325. So 25 1 is 1s are 25. Here remain carry 1, then borrow 1, then there is 12. 12 minus 5 is equal to 7 and 75 70. Take down 5 75. So 25 3 jar 25 3 jar 75. So here answer is 13. Answer is 13 centimeter. So here we write 13 centimeter. Next we take out area. Area equal to length plus breadth, or length into breadth. Here 20 into 10.5. 20 into or 10.5 into 20. 0 0 0 2 5 jar 10 0 1 in my hand and 2 0 jar 0 1 in my hand 2 1 jar 2. So here remain 0, 0, 1, 2. So point is there. After point 0 is valueless, answer is 210 kilometer. Square kilometer. 210 we take out area, so we write square kilometer. So here we write 210 square kilometer. Next, again we take out area equal to length into breadth. So here length equal to 50.7 into breadth equal to 30. Length equal to 50.7 and breadth equal to 30. So 50.7 into 30. 50.7 into 30. 0, 0, 0, 7 jar 0, 0, 5, 0 jar 0, 0, 5 jar 0, 3, 7 jar 21, 1, 3, 2 in my hand, 3, 0 jar 0, 2, and 3, 5 jar 15. 0, 1, 2, 5, 1. So the point is there, we give point there, and answer is what? 1521 square meter. 1521 square meter. Next question number 3. Sorry, question number 4. Question number 4. Find the area of each rectangle from its length L and breadth equal to B. So here question number A given. Question number A. For length equal to 17 meter and breadth equal to 12 meter. Length equal to 17 meter, breadth equal to 12 meter. We take out the area of a rectangle. So area of a rectangle equal to length into breadth. So length equal to 17 into breadth equal to 12. So 17 12 jar 17 into 12. So 2 7 jar 14, 4 1 in my hand, 2 1 is 2 1 3 and 7 1 is 7, 1 1 is 1 1 jar 1. So here 4 3 plus 7 is equal to 10, 10 0, 1 in my hand and 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 204. Answer is 204 square meter. 204 square meter. Question number C. 4C length equal to 15, length equal to 15 kilometer, breadth equal to 7 kilometer. So the area of a rectangle equal to length into breadth, length into breadth. So here length equal to 15 and breadth equal to 7. So 15 7 jar 15 7 jar 105, 105 square kilometer. The area of the rectangle is equal to 105 square kilometer. Next, question number 5. Question number 5. A area equal to 375 square kilometer or square meter, breadth equal and breadth equal to 10 meter. We take out the breadth, length, take out the length, length equal to, we don't know, we take out, we find out the length. So we know length equal to area by breadth, length equal to area by breadth. So here length equal to 375 and area equal to 375 or breadth equal to 10. Now we divide 10 375. So 10 3 jar 30. Here remain 7. Take down 5 10. 10 7 jar 70. Take down remain 5. Give 1.0. So 50. 10 5 jar 50. Answer is 37.5 meter. 37.5 meter. The length equal to 37.5 meter. Next, question number 5D. Question number 5D. Area equal to 340 square meter and breadth equal to 17 meter. We take out length, or we find the length of the length. So we know length equal to area by breadth. So here 340, breadth equal to 17. We divide 340 breadth 17. So 17 2 jar 34. Remain 0. 17 0 jar 0. So answer is 20 meter. Length equal to 20 meter. Next question number 6. Question number 6. Find the breadth of each rectangle from its area and length given. A equal to area given 6. Question number A. Area equal to 7,500 square meter. Length equal to 150 meter, and we take out breadth. So breadth equal to area by length. So here area equal to 7,500 and breadth equal to 155. So we reduce this number 0 0, we cut, and 15 1 jar 15, 15 5 jar 75, and 1 0 remain 1 0. Answer is 50. Answer is 50 meter. So breadth equal to 50 meter. Now question number 7. Question number 7. Find the area of a square of. Question number A. 18 centimeter. 18 centimeter. We find out the area of a square. Find the area of a square. Side given 18 centimeter. So we know area of a square equal to area of a square equal to 4 in side into side. Side into side. Area of a square equal to side into side. So here 18 into 18. So we do multiply 18 into 18. So 18, 8 8 jar 64, 64 4, 6 in my hand, 8 1 is 8 plus 6 14. Next 8 1 1 is 1. So 4, 8 plus 4 is equal to 12, 12 2, 1 in my hand, here 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 plus 1 3. So answer is 324 square centimeter. 324 square centimeter. Question number next. C 7 C 17 kilometer. 17 kilometer. So same formula, area of a square equal to side into side. So 17 into 17. So 17 into 17, we multiply 7 7 jar 49, 9, 4 in my hand, 7 1 is 7 plus 4 11. 7 1 is 7, 1 1 jar 1. So here 9, 7 plus 1 8, 1 plus 1 2, 289 square kilometer. 289 square kilometer. 289 square kilometer. My dear student, this is the end of this chapter as well as half yearly course. Practice at home. Thank you.